What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Trading Gems. We're here again with another fire Webull tutorial. There's been quite a few updates to the app in the past months. However, the biggest ones came today. I'm going to walk you through the new update and do a quick overview on my setup for you guys to use if you'd like to. Webull is an amazing platform. I've been using it for a couple of years now. I also use Thinkorswim for my main account. This is for my small and swing account. I love the mobile app as well because it has mobile active trader. That's a true game changer. No other broker is currently doing this. Webull is especially a great platform for beginners. You will see exactly why after I show you this update. So what we have here is our main page, which is going to be our markets. This is the overview of the market. You have the net inflow, index chart, top gainers, top losers, active positions, ETFs, our 52-week notices, new highs, new lows, near high, near lows, popular stocks being traded. Over here we have our calendar events such as earnings, stock splits, dividends, and IPOs. To the bottom here, we have our heat map showing what's hot and what's not by sector. To the right hand side, we are showing what individual stocks are hot or what's not within particular sectors. Okay, so next we have our watch list. This is where you can customize your watch list and add everything you need to cycle through stocks. You can see the last price, open, low, and so on and so forth. Average volume, 52-week high, low. You can check the ratings hedge funds gave it. You can also use the watch list to filter through news articles based on specific watch lists. To do this, click News, right click, select News, go to Watch List News, and select the specific watch list that you want to see articles from. So as you can see, I use the watch list beta bangers and it is only bringing up articles from the stocks on that specific watch list. Alright, let's take a look at Webull Active Trader. Webull Active Trader can be used for a variety of strategies such as bounce and reject plays at key levels. But if it's set up correctly, it can also be used for scalping because of how quickly you can get in and out of contracts. So here's my setup for getting in and out of trades at lightning speed. First, we go to our watch list and we go to our 3 stocks we're watching for the day. To enter a trade, we're going to click the stock. Then the option chain comes up. We select the contract that we want to enter. Active Trader lights up. To enter the trade, we simply buy the ask, and to exit, we sell the bid. Alright, so I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up so you can have your setup just like mine. This is how you need to have everything grouped. First, let's take a look. This is our chart of our options contract. This is how I can see how the option is performing throughout the day. For instance, if I want to see the 377 calls, I click, it'll pull up the chart of those specific calls. This is very useful if I want to see volume or consolidation periods in the contracts. To set this up, click watch list, set it to 1. Set the option chain to 1. Set the chart to 1, set the position and orders to 1, set active trader to S, and set the price ladder to S. Price ladder is a new feature that's been added to Webull Active Trader. You can set your buy orders here, which is technically buying a bid. You can also do buy stops for buying contracts on breakouts or when they hit a certain price. You can also do a sell limit or you can do a sell stop. You can put a stop loss in play once you've bought your contract, or you can manually put in an order to sell your contract at whatever price you'd like. I love this feature. They recently added this and it is super effective, and I highly recommend that you guys use Price Ladder in Active Trader. Next, we're going to go to the new updated Webull charts. These charts are a game changer for beginning traders that are trying to master technical analysis. With this update, we no longer need to go to Google or any third-party website to see what chart patterns are currently forming and how we can take advantage of it, because Webull now has this built in. So this new update has changed Webull into a major charting platform. What we're looking at is Tesla on a daily chart. As you can notice, they have buttons underneath the candlestick patterns. Basically, what these buttons do is they have analyzed what pattern has formed. So let's look at an example. This is showing a MACD. If we click it, it's going to tell you exactly what is showing about the MACD. So basically, as you can see here to the right, it's telling you that the MACD crossed bearish on a certain day. And that day was April 24th. See, it says medium term bearish. It closed with a volume of 164 million. All right. So let's look at another example. So this one is a hanging man. So you guys must be wondering, Alex, what is a hanging man? Well, all we have to do is click learn more. As you can see, the hanging man is used because it has a gloomy connotation, and also because the candlestick defines a pattern that looks like a hanging man with dangling legs. And it gives you trade considerations, criteria to support that thesis, and also criteria to invalidate or refute it. Once you get here, you can click to learn every pattern, such as gap downs, implications. It will give you the description, an image, and trading considerations. Same thing with a gap up, an outside bar bullish, outside bar bearish. You can learn any and every pattern from here. We have greystone bearish, engulfing line, we have inverted hammer, shooting stars. Every single pattern that you guys want to learn about, it is here, a description and how to trade them. You can literally learn on the fly with this new update, guys. Alright, so now that you guys have a general idea, let me pull up another example for you. Okay, so let's use our tool to analyze AMD. Here you can see we have a downside breakout. Let's click this. Okay, we're seeing on 411, it broke a major support at 100. It highlights the price targets for us. The close price was 97.37, volume was 95 million, target price was 67 to 73, the duration was 51 days. The next pattern we have is the head and shoulders. So let's click that and see what's going on here. As you can see now, we have our left shoulder, we have our top, and we have our right shoulder. We can click learn more to learn more about this pattern. You can see the implication, the description, and a visual representation of a head and shoulder. Here it is showing variations of head and shoulders. So here we can learn all we need to know to master this particular pattern. Using this tool every day is going to level up your technical analysis skills for sure, because soon you'll be able to recognize chart patterns off rip without using any additional research. Anyways guys, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you guys like. If you found this information helpful, definitely like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm out.